Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Europa Universalis Roman IV. To begin, select a strong nation such as the Ottoman Empire or France. They offer a more forgiving learning experience. Immediately, take a moment to explore the user interface, paying close attention to the top bar, which displays crucial information like your monarch power. Remember, there are three types of monarch power: administrative, diplomatic, and military, each vital for different actions. Don't forget to set your national focus to gain an extra 2 points in a chosen power each month. Managing your economy is crucial for success. Your primary income sources are taxes, production, and trade, all detailed within the ledger. To grow your wealth, invest in constructing buildings such as temples and workshops within your provinces. These structures significantly boost local income. Furthermore, you can develop provinces using your monarch points to enhance their production, manpower, or tax value. Don't forget to strategically position lightships and merchants to control key trade nodes, maximizing your trade income. Diplomacy and warfare are intertwined in Europa Universalis Roman IV. Begin by forging alliances with powerful nations. These partnerships deter enemies and provide vital military assistance during conflicts. Next, declare rivals to generate power projection, which unlocks beneficial diplomatic actions. Ensure you maintain a robust army and navy, always mindful of your manpower reserves and naval force limit. When engaging in combat, strategically move your armies into enemy territory, carefully managing supply limits to avoid attrition and secure victory. As your nation grows, you'll want to focus on ideas, technology, and expansion. Select idea groups, such as administrative or diplomatic, to unlock powerful national bonuses that shape your playstyle. Consistently invest your monarch points into technology to gain access to new buildings, improved military units, and advanced game mechanics. Be mindful of aggressive expansion. Accumulating too much too quickly can lead to devastating coalition wars. Finally, explore and colonize uncolonized provinces to expand your territory and secure valuable new resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.